Hello! What's up sa inyo mga kakibat? And I'm here at the peak dito sa Gaisano Mall of Davao. And today is October 31st. At nag-decide ako na lumabas ngayon kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang lumabas. Kasi kagagaling ko lang ng PSA. Pero meron silang registration for national ID. At ayun, nakapag-register na ako. At since wala namang curfew dito sa Davao City, which was announced October 25th, tingnan mo naman Alright, daming tao dito. Tingnan mo naman ang ganda ng lugar dito sa The Peak. Pero later on, magmumukbang tayo at ewan ko lang kung saan tayo pupunta. Pero pa tayo mag-pizza. Oo, wag muna tayo mag-only chicken kasi yan yung lunch ko kanina eh. Sige lang, maghahanap lang tayo ng mapupuntahan o mamumukbangan. Pero ngayon, let's stroll around at the moment at let's enjoy the 24/7 moment dito sa Davao City. So tara, samahan nyo ako.
A few moments later.
Alright mga kakibat, nandito tayo ngayon sa Wings Friday dito sa Bonifacio Street, Davao City. Ang location niya is katabi lang ng University of Immaculate Conception na Bonifacio branch. And nabanggit ko kanina sa Gaisano Mall, di ba nagsabi ako sa inyo na Anli Pizza. Ito na yun. Ito na. At nakapag-order na ako kanina lang. At pinili ko lang yung unlimited pizza. Meron din silang unlimited chicken at pizza which is worth 399 pesos. Meron din silang unlimited chicken lang worth 299. But we decided on pizza. At ito yung menu nila. Papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, ito yung kanilang menu mga kakibat. But meron silang only wings. Sa only pizza lang tayo. Pinili ko lang yung burger pizza or burger pizza lang muna. And then isa naman yung garlic shrimp pizza. So, tingnan natin mga kakibat, okay? Alright mga kakibat, so since tonight is Sunday night, wala mo ng trabaho. And ngayon, let's, enjoy muna while we're waiting for the food, okay?
Montage.
But while we're waiting for the food, nagdala tayo na fries which is included naman sa sa 299 pesos na combo. Yung dip na pinili ko is ranch para may iba naman eh. So mamaya na natin ito kakainin kapag dumating na yung pizza, okay? So tara, hintayin na natin.
Meanwhile,
alright mga kakibat, so ito na yung first round ng ating unlimited pizza. Grabe, I never expect, this is really amazing. So ito na po. Ito yung sinasabi nilang burger pizza. Look at that. Really looks so good. Okay, tingnan mo. At ito naman yung garlic shrimp pizza. It looks so cheesy, looks so beautiful. And of course, meron tayong french fries with a ranch dip. And yung Coke na kasama natin mga kakibat, okay? Alright, so and now we're Sunday dinner for tonight mga kakibat. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. Look how beautiful the cheese is. Ito yung pizza burger. Masyado pa itong mainit. So tara, let's enjoy this. crispy. Perfect for me. The flavors are all burst in my mouth. So, ito palang panalo na to. Let's finish this piece. Second bite mga kaakibat. Cheers mga kaakibat. Look at the fries, really good. Let's dip with the ranch. Okay naman. Garlic and shrimp mga kakibat, so para po sa inyo to. Hindi masyado garlicky, I love it. Plenty yung shrimp, I love it. Super cheesy and super love it. Grabe, 6 inches each flavor. Gusto ko bang mag-try ng isa, kaso lang baka madali tayong mabusog, pero sige lang, let's try to finish these 2 flavors at later mag-try lang tayo ng isa. Super cheesy, super meaty, super plenty. And ako, di ka magsisisi kung nandito ka sa Wings Friday. They open daily from 10 a.m. to 12 midnight. And since wala ng curfew ang Davao City, pwede ka magtagal dito hanggang 12 midnight lang. Pwede.
Meanwhile,
The final plate of our pizza, ito yung beef short plate pizza. Tingnan mo. They have a lot of beef strips and then it's perfectly cooked with some onions din at cheese. So tara, let's dig in. Okay? But before we finish this pizza, Wings Friday located in Bonifacio State, Davao City, which is again katabi lang ng UIC Bonifacio. At ang trademark niyan is kaharap lang ng ng laundry shop, and daan lang kayo sa may Oroderm straight, and then makita mo yung clinic doon, yung next nila dito. At dito na yung Wings Friday, makita mo yung malaking logo nila, and then yung environment nila, which is color yellow on the thing. Yes. So tara, let's dig in. Alright. Look, the stretchy cheese. Grabe, ito yung gusto ko sa pizza. Yeah, amazing pizza because of this. Cheers mga kakibat. This is the beef short plate pizza. The beef is so tender. Perfect siya. Oh, the beef is very soft kasi thin slices siya. But it's really perfect for pizza. Yes. Grabe, super delicious. Grabe. Look at our 10 slice of pizza. Grabe. I have a really amazing pizza ever na try ko. Commercial pizza or mga kahit sa restaurant pa, one of the best dito sa Wing Friday. Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. We were given this loyalty card from Wings Friday. Kompleto ko yung 8 visit ko dito to try the unlimited wings or unlimited pizza. Well, I have a 50% discount sa Pangulo kong visit dito. Hopefully, sa ating next vlog, maybe this year or next year, let's try this. Thank you Wings Friday for this. Really amazing. Alright mga kakibat, so our final slice of pizza. This is the 12 slice of pizza. So tara, let's dig in. Okay. One final bite mga kakibat. Tara. We're done! So, slices of pizza, goodness, it's so amazing. Yes. Right mga kakibat, we're already done with our 12 pieces of pizza round. I never expect yung pizza nila is super cheesy. Yung burger pizza, very good. Pero yung paborito ko talaga ay dalawa. Yung last two flavors na na-try natin. Which is yung garlic shrimp, tsaka yung beef short plate pizza. Especially yung beef short plate pizza. They are really, yung beef niya is super tender, thinly sliced. Yung garlic shrimp, they're super plenty. Hindi masyado garlicky. Yan yung gusto ko sa pizza. Kasi kung super garlicky naman yung pizza, masyado na siyang kadiri. Masyado na siyang kadiri. But their garlic pizza here sa Wings Friday, yeah, super amazing. They're super perfect. Burger pizza, yes, I love the burger pizza. Sa mga gustong pumunta dito sa Wings Friday, all you need to do is to bisitahin lang yung Facebook page. Mag-like lang kayo at mag-support. Okay? And yan lang muna mga kakibat na. I would like to rate Wings Friday 100 over 10 stars. Yes. I love their service. I love it. Alright, so kung gusto nyo mag-follow sa aking Robert Peter Vlogs, all you need to do is to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, don't forget to ring a bell para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. Okay? Alright mga kakibat, I would like to say thank you sa walang sawang pagsuporta dito sa Robert Peter Vlogs, and see you next video. Have a nice day. Bye.